we read to the point that we got to the experiment, and it says here, practice like a scientist. They have you make observations. We did that yesterday. Observe it. We did that yesterday. And now it says identifying gravity in action. In this part of the activity, you'll find a solution to a simple problem. You want to know how you can stop a ball of aluminum foil from falling to the ground. Choose 4 of the following items: water, glass, rice, sand, a bowl, craft paper, cardboard, ice pop stick, glue, and tape. Using a maximum, so only 4 items, find a way to stop an aluminum ball starting at a height of 15 centimeters from falling to the surface. So 15 centimeters, a centimeter is only about, well, the size of your pinky. So 15 of those stacked on top of each other is about that far. So it's not a long drop, but we want to stop it. Okay, using 4 of those items: water, glass, rice, sand, a bowl, craft paper, cardboard. Stop it from touching the ground. Okay, so right now, everybody take your materials and let's see what you can invent in, let's say, 5 minutes. I will set my timer for 5 minutes. It's 2:04. I've got to get out my scissors and my glue and start making something to stop my ball from dropping to the earth. So right now you want to build some way of stopping that ball. I think I could just use this paper like this, couldn't I? Yeah, that worked. Paper worked. I'm guessing a glass of water might work too. Aluminum foil floats.
Might work.
What's that?
The glue stick doesn't really work.
No, but you could glue something together. Like, I'm wondering about making this into some sort of a net. Wonder what I could glue. Maybe I could glue it in a way that it would fold up into sort of a net.
Yes, you sparked an idea.
I sparked an idea, huh? I think I'm gonna make a cone out of this. Let's see. I'm gonna have to cut it somewhere and overlap it. And then I'm gonna need the tape, but I don't know what I did with my tape, so I had too many things with me today. There we go. All right. I see tape. I see people working away. Let's see this. Yep, worked. Nice. I see Liam inventing something there. What do you, Eli? Are you making some way of stopping a ball of aluminum foil from falling? Hand works pretty well. That keeps it from dropping to the ground.
I thought of this.
Uh-oh, but you have to balance it on that. How are you going to get it to balance?
Look, I got it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Maybe if you put this on the top of that, it would help. Here we go.
Did you open your glass?
Yes.
It has a little hat now.
Did you have a question, Vivi, or your hands just?
I can't find the lesson.
Oh, it's on page 4 of 6.02.
Perfect.
So if you go to 6.02, page 4, and then go down to the part 3, overcoming gravity. Let's see what they say here. Multiple designs are possible, but could include dropping a foil ball into a glass of water. Hey, I did that. Building a stand with cardboard and ice pop sticks, or taping a foil ball to the ceiling. Oh, you could tape it to the ceiling, then when you drop it, it wouldn't drop. Oh, that's interesting. And then you're supposed to tell us one way you managed to stop the ball from dropping. So who wants to tell us their way?
Me.
While I eat my lunch, some more lunch.
Wait, how much lunch did you eat?
Well, I ate some while I was there. And now I have some more.
That's good.
Yeah, thanks. Who wants to tell us what they invented?
Me.
All right, go, Eli, show us.
Okay, so how I stopped it is I turned my bottle of Gatorade around, and when I drop it, it there's stuff
to
right
the
here,
bottom.
so it goes down here, and then it goes here.
Okay, anybody else succeed? Vivi?
No, I'm still thinking of mine.
Panoa?
Did you say try not to touch the floor?
Yeah,
Make the
well,
block
not, it's not supposed to touch the ground.
to the floor.
Well, or the counter, whatever you're over. So what do you do? What did you invent?
I would put the water. Put the ball into the water. Full of water.
This? Boop. Works really well. Foil floats. Sasha, what'd you do?
I did too. I taped mine to the ceiling and I
You
made
did?
that thing. Yeah. Wait, hold on.
Show
Let
us.
me.
Ah, it's up there on the ceiling, you guys. That's great.
And then
Okay.
that thing.
Oh,
Take
yeah,
my-
look at that.
It's kind of
Very
like a parachute thing.
Very cool. Very cool. Anybody else want to share? All right. Well, I found a couple of other cool videos on how to defy gravity. You know how we were asking yesterday? What different ways are there of defying gravity? So let me share. Oops, I should probably not. I got to stop that share and make a new share. So let me share those with you and then you guys can keep building. And if at the end you want to share, great. So let's see here. Talk like a scientist. Let's see what it says on the next page. Error, invalid session. It says that I've had it open too long. That's what it says. Science. That's weird. I didn't have it open very long, to tell you the truth. 6.02, falling to earth, and we're on page 5. Let's see here. So the experiment was on page 4. Let's see what page 5 says. Self-check review. It's time to show off how much you've learned. So there's a self-check on page 5. And then on page 6, it starts talking a little bit more about how gravity pulls things toward the center of the earth. And this has a cool little activity that shows inside the earth. And yesterday I was talking to, I think it was Brianna, about volcanoes and how the inside of the earth is magma. And this is a good look at the layers of the earth. Interesting. So wherever you are on earth, gravity will pull falling objects down toward the center of the earth. And remember, Nora explained that's because the earth has a lot of mass. It's big. So it doesn't matter what it is. You could be standing on the bottom of the earth. You're not going to fall off because the force that's pulling down is actually pulling in towards the center of the earth. Very cool. It's kind of weird to think about some people standing sort of upside down and that there really isn't an up or down in space. Gravity on Earth. Everything on Earth experiences the force of gravity. Even objects with small mass will be pulled down toward the center of the Earth. Gravity is a force that acts on everything. So now our question is there any way that we can defy gravity? Let's watch this video and see. And this is the one where I told you I tried the experiment at home and kind of made a big mess, but I think I can do it now. I'm going to try.
Every superpower has something they can do that normal people cannot do. My superpower is I can control water. Sometimes I can control if it pours, if it doesn't pour. I can even walk on water, but only in the winter if it's been freezing cold for several days in a row. But I can take this cup of water, flip it upside down, and no water will spill. You might want to watch out, Alex. It's using centripetal force. Not
Wow.
a drop.
Okay.
So as long as you
So I have to tell you that I tried this at home and I spilled a whole cup full of water all over my bathroom floor, but I'm going to try it again with you guys and just see if I can do it. Because you know what? Why not?
We're lucky. We're lucky.
I'm going to move into the bathroom because I don't want to have the water all over my bedroom. So here we are. Here we are. Wish me luck. Okay.
We're lucky here, so you were lucky. It's not.
My arm is a little bit wet.
Try that again, but do this here.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah, a real swing to it. So you guys are crazy. Okay, you can try that at home, but I recommend trying it in the bathroom because now I have a little bit of water on the bathroom floor. No big deal. And don't drop the glass.
You just do it over a sink.
Well, you have to be able to swing your arm quite a bit to get enough momentum for the water to be pinned. So you have to have enough of a swing that it swings it out and pins it to the edge of the glass, right? Centrifugal, he called it centrifugal force. You got to have that. Okay, I'm moving you back over here. And we'll keep watching the video.
Just going
You
to
wanna try that at home? Go ahead.
that's fine.
Who is making that noise? check your audio and see if it's on. There we go. It was Eli. Okay, here we go. Let's see what else he does. He has another cool one.
Swing your arm in a nice arc. Oh, and you don't start with a cup that's too full of water. You should be able to do that. Again, do this outside, not inside of your house. But now I'm gonna flip the cup upside down in slow motion and no water will spill. But I'm gonna use a laminated postcard, and it's important that it's a laminated postcard. Don't use regular paper, it's not gonna work. But if it's a postcard, we're gonna take advantage of air pressure, and air has just enough pressure to keep the postcard apparently sticking to the water.
That's how magicians do that magic trick then.
All right, now I want both of you also have a postcard. I want you to pick it up.
All right, here we go. I'm going to stop my share and show you this one right here in my bedroom. Wish me luck. Postcard, cup, not
A
glued.
laminated one?
Okay, stand back. Okay, there it is.
Don't do it in your room.
Woohoo! Look at that. It didn't drop.
Well, imagine if that actually fell though.
Well, that would be, it did spill a little bit.
You shouldn't have done it in your bathroom
I
again.
now have a very wet postcard, but that's all right. That's a very fun one. So the pressure of the air that's in the cup, when the water turns over, it pulls on that air and it pulls on the postcard and seals the bottom of the cup. Pretty
Is
cool.
that how magicians do that trick? Because I've seen that on YouTube.
Oh, I have never seen a magician do it, but you know, maybe. Here we go. Let's see if the kids do
Try
it.
what I did. Put the postcard right under the top of the glass. Flip it upside down. Excellent. Air pressure at work. Even I've been doing this for years and I don't know, always even trust that it's going to work. I'm always afraid that the postcard's going to like slip or come off. Now it is important. Make sure you use laminated postcard when you do this because regular paper, very messy.
Wait a minute. How did you do that?
Voila, science magic.
Can you have the postcard off of it? That was pretty cool.
Hey guys, it's me, Samara.
And I'm Brandon.
This one. You did it. Yay. Yay. Now I have another one with a whole bunch of experiments for you to try at home. If you think I'm trying to make you curious, yes, I am. Go do some cool experiments. Here we go.
The center of gravity, also called the center of mass, is the place in an object where the weight is even on all sides. Today we're going to try out some center of gravity experiments,
Wow.
first with objects and then with people. You can also look at the description below to go straight to the experiment that you are interested in watching.
Balancing forks.
In our first center of gravity challenge, we take two forks and firmly press them together.
Don't worry, I'll give you a chance.
This also
to grab
works with a
forks.
fork and a spoon.
I've done that.
They're pressed together.
Now take a toothpick and run it through the first prong of both forks.
What do they mean? Okay. Okay.
After the toothpick is securely positioned in the forks, you'll find the forks easily balanced with the toothpick at the tip of my finger, because the handles of the forks Move the center of gravity closer to the point where the toothpick touches my finger.
All right, friends, you know what I'm going to have you do now is go get 2 forks or a fork and a spoon and a toothpick. I'll be right back. I've got to go grab mine.
I don't have a toothpick.
You have a spear?
What? What?
Did you guys hear me fall coming up the stairs? I tripped.
Yeah.
Okay. If you don't have a toothpick, then maybe next time when we do in person, I'll bring some toothpicks and some forks and you can give it a try. Let's see here. We push our forks firmly together. Now I need a toothpick. If you had a longer one, it would work too, I think. Okay, firmly together. Toothpick through the first hole. All right, and then it's supposed to balance, but it's not balancing. Am I doing it wrong? Through there. Ah, there it goes. Yay, it worked. Hey, that's cool. It's kind of weird because there's all that weight, you'd think it would fall right off. But because it moved the center of gravity, it didn't fall off. Okay. I've promised you forks and toothpicks. I'll bring those to our next gathering. Got to put them in my bag. I'll put them in my baggie of stuff to take. Okay. All right. We'll go on. If you get it done, you can say, I did it. How you doing, Sasha? You getting it? Here we go. The next experiment. I want to learn how to do that can one.
Now let's try this with a skewer taped onto a tall glass.
Huh.
Yeah.
What is she trying to put it on top
Why?
of your?
Oh, okay. I have book club anyways.
Wow. That's pretty cool. I don't know about that one. I think I'm not going to try that one. That one looks too tricky. Oh, that's super cool. Look at it go around. Balancing a quarter on a dollar.
Here you'll need a crisp bill. First, fold and crease the bill in half.
Okay.
Then, place a quarter at the fold of the bill.
At the fold of the bill. You mean in the middle? Yeah. That doesn't seem all that tricky.
Slowly open the bill, and the quarter should automatically adjust itself as its center of gravity will balance onto the dollar.
Wow. But it's not going to be able
This
to.
took a little practice, but we all tried.
Uh-oh. I don't know about that one. Look at Sasha. She did
And
it.
tried.
It looks great. And tried.
And tried. Until we were able to get the quarter to balance on its center of gravity.
Wow. That's crazy. I don't know about that one. You can try that one later. I'm going to keep it plain.
Yeah, that's too crazy. I can
Here
only...
we have 2 cups. One is empty, and the other has a ping pong ball glued to its bottom.
Oh.
We drew a line a little bit above the ping pong ball and drew a line at the same height on the empty cup. The experiment is to pour water up to the lines on both cups, then tilt the cutting board to see which cup will topple over first. The one that tips over first has a higher center of gravity.
I think the ping
We
pong
placed
ball
some
will.
construction paper on top of the cutting board because the board was too slippery and the cups kept sliding off.
Because I think that ping pong ball is displacing.
Which cup do
those
you think
that
will
are-
tip over?
What do you guys think?
I think that one, the cup with no ping pong ball, will tilt over because this one, the ball is like kind of like a weight, so it keeps it down from falling.
That's what I also say.
Let's see if
ping pong
Alexi's
ball?
right.
One with the ping pong ball is gonna not topple. I think that one's gonna topple. I bet that one's gonna topple.
I think the ping pong ball will topple first.
Well, technically, it's gonna weigh it down. Ping pong balls don't float.
They do float, but that one's been glued to the bottom, so it's making it really light on the bottom. Oh,
Oops.
they both
We
fell.
had to use masking tape to hold down the cups.
I don't know if that's really gonna hold them. You think so? Okay, try again.
Now let's see what happens.
Oh, the ping pong ball. I was
Why
right.
did that happen? The cup with water has its center of mass somewhere in the middle.
Oh.
The cup with the ping pong ball filled with air pushes up the water, which also moves up the center of mass, making the
Right.
cup with the ping pong ball topple over first.
So, oh, here we go. This is the one we wanted to see.
For this experiment, fill an empty aluminum can about a third high. This was about half a cup of water.
Okay, we see it. All right.
You can see the cans automatically stand up tilted on its side because the center of mass of the water, along with the weight of the can, balances perfectly.
Wow. Okay, you guys.
Here you
send
can
me
see the
pictures
center of
that.
gravity in the can is higher at point A when it's empty and lower at point B when it's filled with water.
Cool. All right, I'm going to stop. Well, what time is it? I think it might be almost time for book club. I'm going to stop my share. You want to try the can thing? If you have an empty can around your house, go grab it. I'm going to go grab one. I'll be right back.
You trust me.
I trust you.
You trust me. How did I look? It's like magic. It's pretty much magic. It's magic.
Eli, Christian left. Anyone left the meeting?
Did anybody try it?
Why is there echo?
Who is making that noise?
Did I make my co-host? I accidentally left for some reason.
Well, I can, although in just a couple minutes, we just have to do our book club. Let's see. Can I get my thing back? Okay, I got a can. And I filled it about a third with water. Let's give it a try and see what happens. I don't know if I believe it. Is it gonna balance? Oh my gosh, it works.
Wait, what?
I love that. Isn't that so cool, you guys? Look at that. That's like magic. Well, now you can impress your family with magic tricks tonight.
Wait, what was it again? Do you put water
The
in?
last one, you put about a third of a can of water in the bottom of a can, and it changes the center of gravity to be low. And I've never noticed this, but a cup it has kind of an edge to it. And when you put it like that, it just stays beautifully. Look at that. That's just
Wow, really? Okay.
now I've given you some great party tricks for your family at dinner time. Also, don't forget to go in and read the rest of lesson 6.02. It's time for the guys and I to go to our book club. If some of you want to go in breakout rooms, since it's such a rainy day and it's Friday afternoon, I'm going to let you do that. Have a great weekend. Remember to do your reading, and I will see most of you on Monday. I'll let you guys choose rooms, but don't go to room 1 because the boys and I will be in room 1. There we go. Create breakout rooms, open breakout rooms. All right, so that's Christian, Javier, Eli, David, and Luis. Let's go to room 1, please, and bring your book, The Titanic. Okay,
You guys read the Titanic?
we're reading The Titanic.
Oh my gosh.
It's a disaster.
Is it
All
I
right.
Survived?
Reading Warlord.
It works.
Room 1. Head to room 1.
Can we leave?
Okay. If you're not a reading warlord, you can leave. I see
Bye.
and David. Who else is in that group? Javier, Christian, and Luis. Is Christian not here?
What do we do for math today?
I'm gonna send a note to Javier, Christian, and Luis. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Do we not have math today?
What's up?
Do we have math today?
No, because you didn't have any additional math today.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm done with everything.
Go do your experiment.
I did.
Did you do this one with the pop bottle? It's pretty cool.
Not yet. Not the ping pong?
No, the soda pop cans, the empty
I
cans.
don't have a soda can.
You don't have any soda cans? Well, you need to get one someday. When you get one, try it. It's super cool.
Okay, but
Luis.
the cool one is the cup. It's magic.
Well, they're all pretty cool, aren't they?
Well, they're like tricks you see out of a magician.
I know, right?
Bye.
Bye. See you on Monday. Have a great weekend.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Javier, Luis, and Christian.
Yeah, I actually got to the new Barnes and Nobles.
Oh, great.
It's actually just right down where Target is. I got a dog joke book.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I gotta head.
Also,
I gotta head to the. Uh-oh, what happened to Eli?
bye. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys. Hi guys, I just sent a message to Christian and Javier and Luis. But hey, cool guys are here. Let me turn off the recording.